Alright, I'm here with Mr. Errol, the head mixologist of Kauri.
Hi, guys.
Kauri Tap Room, right?
Welcome to Kauri.
When I saw the inasal old fashioned nila, itong Kauri, immediately I was so intrigued by that.
Actually, when we first take the inasal cocktails, nagdadalawang isip kami eh. Kasi not all the Filipino palate is makaka-appreciate ng inasal oil for drinking.
Yeah.
But, well, good thing na gustuhan naman ng mga crowd. And
Right.
we are thankful about it.
Hi everyone, welcome to this episode. I'm here at Kauri Tap Room. This is the opening of Kauri Tap Room here in Wilson Street in San Juan. And tonight, we are going to taste the cocktails, the beers, and the foods that they have here. Welcome to the episode. This is NJ Mijares, and I like beers. Inasal Old Fashioned. Tignan nyo yung ingredients niya. It's fat washed bourbon. Meaning it's whiskey na hinaluan daw ng mantika. Tapos they have Moscovado. And then there's also chili, sile, at saka orange jello. So it's old fashioned pero nilagyan nila ng Filipino twist. Ginawa nilang inspired by inasal. It's very interesting. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay. Hindi ko masyadong natitikman yung pagka-inasal niya, no? It just tastes like parang whiskey na medyo mas matamis than the usual. Yes, it's old-fashioned. I know old-fashioned whiskey is matamis naman talaga. But I don't really feel the inasal themed or the inasal hints. At least it's something different na ngayon lang natikman. And at least sumusubok sila ng mga kakaibang style or kakaibang timpla ng mga traditional cocktails dito sa Kauri Tap Room. No? Interesting, check it out. This is Inasal Old Fashioned by Kauri Tap Room. Cheers! What? Out of all the 8 beers na tinikman natin tonight, anong pinaka-favorite mo?
Gumamela Dalandan Saison.
Gumamela Dalandan Saison ang favorite mo, why?
Ang daling inumin. Sarap siya, madaling inumin.
Nako, my favorite was chocolate stout. Right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flavors ng Jade's Temple tonight.
This is a chocolate stout, 4.7. Mango lager, 5% ABV. Gumamela Dalandan Saison, 7.8 ABV. Yan po ang pinakamataas.
Okay.
And then, sa Pagita Orange Ale, 6.9. Duhat Sour, 4.7.
Alright.
Strawberry Lager, 5% ABV. Then Lager, 5% ABV po siya. And then Black Forest, 5% ABV po siya.
Okay, so far we have tasted chocolate stout and mango lager. The third glass na titikman namin, Gumamela Dalandan Saison. At ito yung pinakamataas na alcohol by volume. Look at it. It's red. Cheers.
Whiskey,
Bango, ah.
Tuna Spirits, St. Lenny.
Masarap yung Saison, madaling inumin. It's very refreshing. Well, pagka Saison naman talaga, it's kind of fruity and it's kind of juicy. But yun nga lang, medyo scary siya kasi mataas ang alcohol by volume. It's 7.9%. Very interesting yung mga flavors ng beer dito sa Jade's Temple. Right now, I'm holding Sampaguita Orange Ale. I don't know what it tastes like, but I'm also imagining na, of course, this is going to be very flowery. But anyway, let's taste it. Cheers. Oh, medyo maasim nga siya. Mas malakas yung orange. Hindi ko masyadong ma-feel yung Sampaguita. Ano ba lasa? Ano ba lasa ng Sampaguita? Alright, so far, out of the 8 small shots of beers na nandito sa harap namin, we have tasted 4 of it. So, hindi pa namin natitikman yung Duhat Sour. This next one is Baguio Strawberry Lager. The next one is regular lager. And then the last one is Black Forest Lager. Oh, by the way, aside from the flight of beers na pinapatikim sa atin tonight, they also offer yung mga food menu na pwedeng mabili dito sa Kauri Tap Room. So right now, we have here our Chori Burger. Tikman muna natin yung bagnet. Burong bagnet. Look at it. Kamayin ko na. Masarap yung combination ng crispy bagnet tsaka yung asim ng buro. Maasim no? And then the other one is, this is adobong puset aburi. Parang siyang sushi na nakapatong sa kanin. Okay, this one is laing spaghetti. It's spaghetti na laing yung sauce niya. Interesting siya but in a weird way. Weirdohan ako eh. Hindi pa nagki-click in my head na bagay nga sa isa't isa yung spaghetti noodles at saka laing. Next nating titikman ay yung Duhat Sour. Look at it, it's purplish. It's very dark but I can see purple or violet tints dito sa beer na to. Sarap, parang duhat nga. Parang duhat juice. Medyo mahina yung alcohol niya. Siguro this one is ano lang, less than 5% alcohol by volume. Right, that's Duhat Sour. Speedrun na natin ito. The next one is their strawberry lager. Yeah, it's pinkish. This is strawberry lager. Now, nakatikim na ako ng strawberry lager na gawa ng Baguio Craft Brewery sa Baguio mismo. If you want to watch that episode where I tasted all of the craft beer brands and craft beer breweries sa Baguio, including Baguio Craft Brewery, check out this episode. Click right here. Pero mamaya na kayo pumunta ron, tapusin muna natin itong video na to before we go there.
Lasang strawberry.
Lasang strawberry daw because it's strawberry lager.
Lasang strawberry pero may konting pait.
The last two shot glasses is the lager at saka yung Black Forest. Okay, this is the regular lager. There's nothing special about this. I've tasted this many times na before. Sa mga event ng Jade's Temple at saka here in this restaurant. By the way, this restaurant, it was used to be called McLaren's Restaurant and we used to go here way back pa, mga around 2 years ago. Iba pa yung concept ng restaurant na to. It was McLaren's Pub. Inspired by How I Met Your Mother. So, ganun yung interior design and ganun yung concept ng restaurant na to dati. Anyway, so this is their lager. Solid. And then the last one is Black Forest. This is also lager, pero Black Forest naman ang flavor niya. It's very similar with the regular lager. Meron lang siyang mas medyo konting pait and a tiny hint of chocolatiness. But either way, it's solid lagers.
I like it.
Comment down below what your favorite beer is from Jade's Temple. Kung natikman nyo na yung Jade's Temple, let me know down in the comments kung ano yung favorite nyo. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video.
Cheers.